Welcome to Crayon International School. Join us on a tour and discover the excellence and the beauty of our CBSE-affiliated campus. For 8 years, we have been providing high-quality education. We invite you to learn about the facilities and opportunities that makes Crayon International School a unique place to learn and grow.
Hey everyone, and I'm Reva from Crayon International School. Our school is a place of learning, growth and opportunity. It is not just a building with classrooms, but a space where students can develop skills, explore new ideas and build lifelong friendships. With dedicated teachers, well-equipped facilities and a focus on both academics and extracurricular activities. Our school aims to give a well-rounded education. We take pride from our values, discipline and a strong sense of community which make this place feel like a second home. Let's begin our tour with our morning assembly. That is one of the most important traditions in CIS. Our morning assembly begins with Gayatri Mantra and Om Ucharana, followed by some important announcements. In our assembly, we give opportunity to each student to become confident.
At our school, we recognize the importance of sports and physical education in a student's overall development. To support this, we have invested in creating top-class sports facility like basketball, volleyball, court for team sports, fully equipped gym for strength training and fitness, dedicated space for indoor games and extensive outdoor facilities for sports. Some of our students have made us proud for excelling in national and state level sports championship. And they are under 14 cricket state level silver medal secured by Sachin Gurjar, under 14 karate national level gold medal secured by Mahi Katari, under 14 karate national level bronze medal secured by Prasiddhi Gaur. As the founder principal, I am committed to taking our school to new heights of excellence. We will strive to create a world-class educational institution that provides our students with a holistic learning experiences, sports, and extracurricular activities. To achieve this vision, I invite all our stakeholders to join hands with us together. We can build a community that values knowledge, creativity, and character. I am confident that with your support, we can create a bright future for our students and make our school a model excellence of education. Thank you so much.
Let's move towards one of the most vibrant and cheerful parts of our school, our pre-primary wing. Our pre-primary wing name is Kids Crayon. Should we move towards our main school? Yes, Ashna. And one of the unique thing about CIS that we have different buildings for pre-primary and main school. Here is our main school building, where students from 1 to 12 learn it from.
नमस्कार, मैं संदीप उपाध्याय, डायरेक्टर क्रियोन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल गाडवारा. क्रियोन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल गाडवारा is not just a school, it is a deep vision of my father and chairman, Mr. K.K. Upadhyay. The idea of Creon International School Gadawara was born with an innovative thought to create such an institute which removes every single barriers, stands in the way of education for both boys and girls, whether from cities or villages. 7 years ago, we set out on this journey with carefully planning every single step to ensure that no child deprived from quality education. And today, I feel with immense pride to say that our school is one of the top schools in the Gadawara city. And it happened due to our well-educated and dedicated teachers, hard-working students, and inspiration of Chairman Sir that we stand here today. But this is not the end of this journey. With the support of our teachers, parents, and students, the Creon International School Gadawara will keep growing, inspiring, and shaping the future of our students.
Our classrooms are full of learning materials that make studying fun. We don't just read from books, we do experiments, activities, and projects that help us to understand things better. Our teachers are kind and patient and always ready to help us, encourage us to ask questions and do our best. School feels like our second home because of them. The USP of our school is that we have super classes for those students who are weak in reading and writing. Our English and Hindi reading and writing super class is a session where we improve our language skills in fun and interactive way. A apple. E elephant.
As a school captain, it is an honor to speak about this incredible school that shapes us into confident, responsible, and ambitious individuals. With dedicated teachers, well-equipped classroom, our school believes in fostering development, teamwork, and discipline in every student. And I am proud to be a part of Creon International School.
Let's now step into a place where learning turns into discovery, our science lab. Every experiment helps us understand how the concepts we learn in class apply to real world. Our teachers guide us through each step, making science both fun and educational. Where technology meets learning. This is my computer lab. Here we learn everything about basic computer skills to advanced coding. Our teachers ensure we learn about internet safety and responsible technology use. It is an absolute honor to be the handler of this prestigious school. Our school is not just a place for learning, it is our second home where we grow, explore, and shape our futures. I am truly proud to be a part of Creon International School and very grateful for every experience it has given me. May my favorite place is library. Yes, Ashna, and now we have arrived one of the most peaceful and knowledge-filled place in our school, our digital library. Our school library is one of my favorite places. It is filled with books in every subject. If somehow we don't find some topics in books with computer and digital resources, we can explore a vast collection of information beyond books. Reva, do you like colors in rainbow? Yes, Ashna, but why are you asking this? Because in our beautiful art and craft room, you can use color to create your own imagination.
के उपाध्याय, चेयरमैन, क्रेयॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल गढ़वाड़ा। बच्चों की शिक्षा में अगर सबसे लंबी यात्रा होती है तो वो है स्कूली शिक्षा। इसी कॉन्सेप्ट के आधार पर वर्ष 2017 में शिक्षाविद डॉक्टर प्रसाद, जो कि पुणे से आते हैं, और डॉक्टर राजेश शर्मा के गाइडेंस में क्रेयॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की स्थापना की गई। तभी से यह स्कूल बच्चों को भविष्य को ध्यान में रखते हुए निर्बाध रूप से संचालित हो रहा है। स्कूली शिक्षा को हमने 2 भागों में विभाजित किया है। एक पहला भाग है प्री प्राइमरी, क्योंकि नगर के अधिकांश बच्चे प्री प्राइमरी, प्ले में, नर्सरी में क्रेयॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में एडमिशन ले रहे हैं। इनके लिए एक अलग से बच्चों की सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखते हुए एक भवन का निर्माण किया गया है, और उस पृथक भवन में प्ले, नर्सरी, KG1, KG2 के बच्चे ग्रोथ के आधार पर, उनके इंटरेस्ट के आधार पर और मॉडर्न इक्विपमेंट के माध्यम से खेल खेल में शिक्षा उनको प्रदान की जाती है। इसके लिए एक्सपर्ट टीचर तथा एक्सपर्ट हेडमिस्ट्रेट उनको गाइडेंस करते हैं, जिसका बड़ा सकारात्मक परिणाम क्रेयॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल को और पालकों को मिल रहा है। KG2 के बाद एक ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी स्कूल आयोजित करता है, जिसमें बच्चे बड़े उत्साह से भाग लेते हैं, और KG2 के बाद वो दूसरे भवन में क्लास स्टैंडर्ड 1 में प्रवेश लेते हैं। क्लास 1 से 12 तक के इस नए भवन में स्कूल संचालित होता है। इससे स्कूल की जो डिज़ाइन है वो इस टाइप की है कि गोल बिल्डिंग के रूप में है, जहां प्रिंसिपल सारी क्लास को बैठकर आराम से मॉनिटरिंग करती है। इसके साथ साथ इन बच्चों को एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए मल्टीपर्पज़ हॉल का निर्माण अलग से किया गया है, जहां सेल्फ डिफेंस के गेम, TT और भी तरह के गेम वहाँ संचालित होते हैं। इन्हीं बच्चों के लिए बड़े बड़े ग्राउंड बनाए गए हैं, जहाँ वो अपनी प्रतिभा को निखारते हैं। एजुकेशन के क्षेत्र में अगर हम देखते हैं तो क्रेयॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का एकेडमिक वर्ष 2021-22 में पहला CBSE बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम था, जो 100% सक्सेस रहा, और कम से कम 8 या 9 बच्चे 90+ स्कोर किए। इसी तरह वर्ष 2023-24 में 12th क्लास का CBSE जो रिजल्ट था वो भी 100% रहा। इसमें एक विशेष बात यह है जिसको बताने में बड़ा गर्व महसूस करता हूँ। एक वैदेही गोस्वामी बच्ची थी जो मध्य प्रदेश में, जिसमें 98% स्कोर प्राप्त कर मध्य प्रदेश में नाम रोशन किया। यह हमारे स्कूल और उसके पेरेंट्स के लिए बड़े गौरव की बात है। सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है PTM। इसके लिए CISS रेगुलर पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग एंड कंसिस्टेंट अपडेट ऑन ए चाइल्ड एकेडमिक एंड पर्सनल प्रोग्रेस एंड ग्रोथ। दूसरा स्कूल का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट है वो है सिलेबस, टू बी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एंड मैनेजरल, टू बिल्ड ए स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन in subjects like mathematics, science and languages। आज क्रेयॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल छात्रों के अनुकूल दृष्टिकोण के लिए बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध हो गया है और शहर के और आसपास के जो शिक्षित परिवार हैं, अधिकांश परिवार हैं, उनके लिए क्रेयॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल एक लोकप्रिय विकल्प के रूप में उभरा है।
Now we are entering the heart of our school, our multi-purpose auditorium, which isn't just for performances, but also has space for sports like taekwondo, boxing, table tennis, and kabaddi. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of our school, our extracurricular activities. We have a well-equipped basketball ground, volleyball ground, football ground, and a separate playground for both wings.
I truly love how our school encourages both sports and extracurricular activities. The playground is the greatest place for us to stay active and enjoy games. Our sports teachers are the backbone of all our athletic activities. They not only train us in different sports but also us teaches the importance of teamwork and discipline.
Let's now take you to one of the most coolest spot in our school, the pool area. Our pool is just perfect for swimming lessons. Our pool area also hosts water games, activities, and events like swimming competition. I love music and I love dance. Now we have arrived one of the most energetic space in our school, our music and dance room. We have everything from musical instrument to a spacious dance floor. Rehearsals every year, our school achieves first position in city's culture program and CBSE culture activities. Wow, Reva, here are so many things in CIS. Yes, Ashna, and we also have a garden where we can sit, play, study, and discuss lots of things about future with our classmates. This garden is also a safe place for our pre-primary students. We have the well-organized transport facilities for students. Each bus is equipped by GPS like tracking speeds, fire extinguisher, first aid box, smoke detectors, panic button and cameras with well-trained driver and conductors with female staffs. That brings us to the end of our school. We hope you enjoyed exploring our school with us. For more details, check out our website or visit our school. If you want to be a part of CIS, we would love to have you here. See you soon at CIS.